Manager, so maybe I would have been your boss, I don't know. And if I was that boss, I think I might have been more like a kind of a Donald Trump style boss. You know? But it makes sense to everybody except the ATO. Just hold on.
Timeshare industry and attract other parts of the world, such as Asia, which we're focused on. So it's good to see that you're bringing air traffic in from those other destinations.
So welcome to Fiji, welcome to Denarau. It is pronounced Denarau, not Denarau.
Yes, Minister, I just wanted to...
General Manager, Wyndham Denarau, Managing Director, Asia Pacific, Marriott Vacations Worldwide, Chief Executive Officer, ATHOC Vacation Club, Chief Executive Officer, Classic Holidays, Chief Executive Officer, Altica Hotels and Resorts, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. Oh, that was nice and loud. I'm indeed, ladies and gentlemen, honored to be here and privileged to be here this morning to officially open, really, the Australian Timeshare and Holiday Ownership Council Annual Conference. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the ATHOC for choosing Fiji as a destination for this year's annual conference, and I hope you'll all enjoy what Fiji has to offer. And for those of you who are here for the first time, Bula and welcome to Fiji. Now, the theme of today's conference, ladies and gentlemen, is dealing with disruption. It's a timely reminder to all industry players of the great responsibility one actually holds to the public and to your potential clients and to fellow stakeholders. Ladies and gentlemen, timeshare resorts attract close to 50,000 timeshare holiday makers for Fiji each year, with more than $23 million in visitor spend per annum. The industry has contributed significantly to the tourism industry and the Fijian economy for almost 20 years. It has provided employment to thousands of Fijians across many fields, which in turn gave them the opportunity to develop and grow in their careers. And in addition, with timeshare resorts having high occupancy all year round, this greatly supports the tourism industry, especially during its low season. And a classic example is the Wyndham Resort on Denarau Island, with its occupancy rate sitting above 90% all year round. Ladies and gentlemen, timeshare exchange partners and cruise partners not only bring in a significant number of visitors into Fiji from all over the world each year, they also encourage much repeat visitation to Fiji, which is actually extremely important. Fiji's tourism industry is diversifying its tourism products and building niche markets, such as sports tourism and meetings and incentives and conferences and events, also known as MICE. And this is in line with the vision to make the Fijian tourism industry a $2.2 billion industry by 2021. The vision can only be achieved by embracing new and innovative marketing segments or market segments that bring Fiji more value for money and to ensure sustainable growth of the sector. We have expanded our source markets by introducing new flights each year also, such as the latest one is a direct flight to Japan, which began earlier in July this year, and increased flights to routes like Singapore. We also continue to expand our code-share arrangements with key airlines to ensure flights are more convenient for our visitors. There are some efforts of the Fijian government that has undertaken and encouraged more growth in the Fijian tourism sector. However, there is still more that we can achieve, and we can learn from your experiences of the timeshare niche to develop ours further. As a country, ladies and gentlemen, we're recognized as a happy nation, renowned for its hospitality. And this is reflected in our national tourism branding, which you would have all seen as Fiji, where happiness finds you. Our island home is a multicultural society blessed with rich and natural resources, where we celebrate diverse cultures and cherish our unique heritage. We are also known for our giving nature, and I must commend the timeshare industry for sharing this spirit throughout its community initiatives and giving back to our local communities. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, I wish to thank the organizers of this year's conference for a job well done. I see it's a full house, and I warmly welcome you all again to our country. And I'm confident that our slogan, "Where happiness finds you," will hold true for the duration of your stay. With those few words, I wish you well in the deliberations today, and I wish you a successful conference. Thank you very much. Nagwaveng.